Hey guys, in this video I'm excited to share with you all one of my all-time favorite recipes made by my mom. It is called Barada. It is basically a fry made with split chickpeas. This dish is not only comforting but also very simple to make, requiring just a handful of ingredients. So let's get right into the process. Soak 1 cup of split chickpeas or Bengal gram in water for at least 6 to 8 hours or overnight. After soaking for required amount of time, drain the water and let it dry a bit. Now into a food processor, add the drained chickpeas along with 4 to 5 green chillies and some salt and pulse it until coarsely ground. We want a coarse texture, not a paste. Now heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, cumin seeds and 2 red chillies and cook until they start to splutter. Add the chopped onions along with a teaspoon of salt to help onions cook faster. After a minute or two, add curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and a quarter teaspoon of turmeric. Mix well and let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Once the onions are cooked well, add the ground chickpea mixture to the pan and mix well to coat them with the spices mixture. Also add red chilli powder as per your taste. Mix well until it combines with the rest of the mixture. Cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add a teaspoon of coriander powder along with fresh coriander leaves and give it a quick mix. Reduce the heat to low, cover and let it cook for another 5 minutes until it turns dry like this. Now it's ready to be served with hot rice or roti. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.